Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Drive branding assets with version control, full guide step by step clearly. To update Google Drive branding assets with version control, begin by logging into your Google Drive account. Navigate to the folder where your branding assets are stored. Ensure that you have the latest design files ready for upload. Make a backup of the existing assets by duplicating the current folder. Rename the duplicated folder to indicate it contains the previous version. Open the original branding assets folder to prepare for the update. Upload the new design files into this original folder. Select the files you wish to replace with the new versions. Right-click on the selected files and choose the Manage Versions option. In the Manage Versions window, click on Upload New Version. Locate and select the updated design files from your computer. Confirm the upload by clicking on the Open button. Once the upload is complete, verify that the new versions are listed. Check the timestamps to ensure the latest files are now at the top. Use the comment feature to note any changes made during this update. Share the updated folder with relevant stakeholders to keep everyone informed. Consider applying appropriate sharing settings to maintain asset security. Monitor feedback from the team to ensure the new assets meet branding standards. Document any changes for future reference in your version control log. Finally, ensure your backup folder remains accessible for potential future needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.